Alright, so let's break it down. ToFu, MoFu, and BoFu sounds like a rap song to me, but no. Hello, people, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhi, and I am a full stack digital marketer. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Today, we are talking about something super cool but kind of confusing. ToFu, MoFu, and BoFu. They are not the types of tofu dishes, they are stages in a sales funnel. Stick around to know more about them. Alright, so let's break it down. ToFu, MoFu, and BoFu sounds like a rap song to me, but no. Seriously, these are just fancy terms for different stages of a customer journey. ToFu is top of the funnel, MoFu is the middle, and BoFu is the bottom. Simple, right? Think of it as a funnel where you pour in a lot of potential customers from top to the bottom, and you are left with the ones who are really interested in what you have got to offer. Okay, so each stage has its own good and bad sides. Let's chat about that. If I talk about pros of tofu, you get to reach a ton of people. It's like casting a wide net while fishing. If I talk about cons of top of the funnel, not everyone's going to buy it. There is going to be low conversions, my friends. What do I mean by that is if you're not going to target your exact target audience in the top of the funnel, of course, there's going to be low conversions over there. Talking about pros of middle of the funnel, here you have got a more interested crowd. They are listening to you. They know who you are and they are interested in what you have to say. But the problem, the con with this stage is it takes time and effort to keep them hooked. Talking about pros of BoFu, this is jackpot. These people are ready to buy from you. The problem is there are fewer of them and everyone is fighting for their attention. By everyone, I mean your competitors. So why should you care about all this funnel stuff? Well, it's like dating. You don't propose on the first date, right? You gotta know when to make your move, and these stages help you do just that in the business world. It's all about sending the right message at the right time to the right people. Get it wrong and you are swiping left on those potential customers. So depending on where your customer is hanging out, in top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, or the bottom of the funnel, you gotta switch up your game. In top of the funnel, think about blog posts, social media, or maybe some Google ads. You're just here to say, hey, I exist. And at this stage, you don't say nothing else apart from your introductions. In middle of the funnel, how about a webinar or a killer ebook? You're trying to say, I can solve your problems. Do you want to have a chat about it? And in the bottom of the funnel, it's time to seal the deal. Free trials, demos, you get the gist. Here, you are saying, I am the one for you. Let's make it official. Let's close the deal. Alright, quick fire round. What kind of digital marketing magic works best for each stage? For top of the funnel, SEO and social media. Get their attention in this stage. In middle of the funnel, we are talking about emails and retargeting. Keep the conversation going on via emails and retarget them via your ads. In bottom of the funnel, you have to optimize that conversion rate, and maybe some reputation management can also help. Make them click buy now. Alright, so you're probably thinking, Abhi, give us some real talk. How does this work in real world? Well, you asked for it. Let's look at an example. Let's say a fitness brand uses blog posts for top of the funnel, workout plans for middle of the funnel, and finally a killer discount on protein shakes for the bottom of the funnel. Boom! From couch potato to gym rat, just like that. Now you can't just wing this, people. You need some solid tools. For top of the funnel, think about Google Analytics. For middle of the funnel, think about some email marketing software. That's going to be your best friend. And for bottom of the funnel, a good CRM, maybe like Go High Level, because I prefer that. And hey, if you want to deep dive into any of these tools, just say go with Abhi in the comments below and I'll make it happen in the future videos. Okay, real quick, let's talk about mistakes. What's the most common mistake in top of the funnel? Going for the hard sell. You have to relax and just say hi. In middle of the funnel, don't ghost them. Keep the content coming. They want to know more about you after you have introduced yourself in top of the funnel. And in bottom of the funnel, don't get lazy or don't feel shy. Just seal the deal with something they cannot resist. Create an irresistible offer. Next, numbers, numbers, numbers. You gotta know if your moves are working, right? For top of the funnel, track your website's traffic. For middle of the funnel, look at engagement rates on social media and your email. For bottom of the funnel, my friends, it is all about return on investment, that is ROI. If you are not a numbers person, don't sweat it, just relax and let me break it down for you in some other video in the future. I know you have got questions, so let's knock them out.
Can I skip a stage?
Short answer, not recommended. Next,
How long does each stage take?
this is $1 million question. It varies, but patience is the key. You have to be patient. If you have got more questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll do a Q&A session soon and I'll also reply to your comments. It's time for some last minute tips. In my years of digital marketing, I have seen businesses nail it and fail it, including my own business. My pro tip for you would be, don't underestimate the power of online reputation, especially in the bottom of the funnel stage as I mentioned earlier. It's a game changer. Trust me, you don't want to miss this for your business. And hey, if you love this, you're gonna be stoked for what's coming up. That's it, people. If you found this jam-packed guide useful, smash that like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go with Abhi for more awesome content. Thank you so much and catch you in the next video.